Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So here, in this session, we're going to discuss how to do arithmetic operations on byte, double and some modifiers. So before going to this, start our Java program with public class lamp, then I'll write main method. So main method public static void main string aux. Then we're going to type with byte a will be equal to, let's write some value that is 20. Then byte b will be equal to 30. Then byte c will be equal to a plus b. Then we're going to print system dot out dot print ln, that is c. Now we're going to build this in possible lossy conversion from int to byte. So for this, after these two lines a and b became int type. It's not byte after the line next line. So for this we have to assign the c into int. Then we're going to check is that printing or not. So it's showing that 50. Now bytes, always we have to do some operations, all the conversions into int type. So that is the way to write. So it's not way to write byte will be equal to byte c will be equal to a plus b. This is not way to write. Int only we have to assign. Then one more thing. Then can you convert int to byte or? So define int d will be equal to 120. Then byte e will be equal to d. Can you write like this or not? Well, check. Then system dot out dot print ln, that is e. Can we check is that printing or not? Possible lossy conversion from int to byte. We should not int bigger size to byte size. So for that what we have to do is, if you want to convert that int to byte format, we have to modify this int to final. Why? Because final means here that 120 d became 120. It's not int type. Final int means it is an integer, but final value it taking only 120. Here it's not there d. The d became 120. D is not variable up to there. So d became 120. In d place will come directly 120 here. Now we're going to print this. Yes, it's printing 120. Before this, it's the int variable. But after final, it became constant value. Final means it became constant value. Then we can assign 120 to the byte or short, whatever it is, int you can convert with the using of modifier final. Then we'll check how to add and how to this. This one, can you check 128? Then we're going to check. So possible lossy conversion from int to byte. Why? Because after final, maximum byte, maximum value will be 127 only. So for that 128 is not given to byte, but we're going to check 127. With 127 it might be possible. Yes, 127 is printing. Then we'll check for operations on integers and additions. Byte, then int, so int int a is equal int e f will be equal to a minus b. Then we're going to write system dot out dot print ln, that is f, print ln, that is f. Then we're going to build this. So after building this one is expected semicolon, sorry for that. So here it will going to print. Now it's going to print, yes, because 20 minus 30 will become, what is that? It's become minus 10. Then we're going to check 2 bytes. Now we're going to check byte as modified as final. For this also final, we are modified a and b are final. Can we check, is that possible to print with int? Yes, it is possible to print int. Yes, it's showing that. What is that? It's showing that int. Yes, final byte whatever here a became a constant. A is constant. A and B are constants. So constants means it will not change. That's not a variables. The two are not variables. A and B are constants. For that it's printing. We will check C as byte now. Then it is also going to print. Why? Because here A and B are became constants. That's not variables. The two are 20 and 30. Here in the A plus 20 is substituted and B plus 30 is substituted. These two are not variables. This became constant values by using modifier final thing. So you can assign. Then we'll check 120. Then it will going to print or not. Maybe it will not. Possible logic conversion from int to byte will come. Why? Because here 120 plus 30 will be 150, but maximum value of byte is 127 only. Then we'll check 120, then here 7. Then we're going to build this. Now 127 will might be print. So that is the way to write all the ins, bytes and conversions. Then we'll check double things. Double D will be equal to 123, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Then double E will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4.67. So what is this is? So it will going to print, that is 6, 7, 33. Then it going to check double F will be equal to D plus E. Then we'll write system dot out dot print ln, that is F. Now we'll check is that print or not with the double values. So yes, it's going to print 12469. 2469 it's a printing. So double values also you can do some operations here. Understood? Minus will put, then control build with the subtraction. It's showing that 0.33 something, it's 000 and so on. It's going to print like that. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like the video, please click the like button and please subscribe.